Hi, I'm Tina Bennett, and my office created OnDemand Supervision LLC. The reason I created OnDemand Mediation LLC because I realized the importance of having the ability to mediate issues when they arise, not issues after you had to file for divorce or filed a family court matter seeking custody or seeking to modify a custody order because the other side decides, we're at an impasse because Johnny and Sue, one wants to do hockey, the other wants to do ballet, but you want them both to do ballet and the other side wants them to both do hockey. And you can't come up with an agreement for whatever reason, the cost of the activity, or the fact that you really can't stand ballet and you don't want your kids involved in that activity. So for those one-off issues, we created on-demand mediation where you have the ability to resolve that particular issue. So you don't go to family court and don't spend a ton of money. At all costs, you do not want to be in family court allowing a third party to decide your decisions. So with on-demand mediation, we have two different programs. One where you might just want to use us occasionally. So there's a price point for that. And then there's for people that have ongoing issues for whatever reason. So there's a subscription. So that's also an opportunity for you to resolve issues on a weekly basis. And perhaps that's something you might want to do if you just recently separated and you still are trying to figure out where the kids are going to go to school or daycare, or maybe it's even something like college. There's an impasse at college, or who the doctors are. There's so many things that happen on a regular basis with parents. And if you're going to co-parent, you need to be able to resolve those issues. So with on-demand mediation, at least we try to help you come together so you don't have all these stupid text message threads where you're calling each other all sorts of expletives because you're not agreeing. Allow a third party to help you come up with a solution. So we'd like you to come visit our site. Maybe it's something for you. It's a lot cheaper than going to court. I'm Tina Bennett with On Demand Mediation LLC.